Hi there cool cats and kittens, welcome to the Happy Hula Hoop Club. I'm Rachel.
I'm Sam.
We're going to teach you how to hula hoop. I'm using a big adult beginner hula hoop. Comes right up to my belly button. It's quite heavy, that makes it a lot easier to hoop with. Sam's got a hoop that's a lot lighter and thinner. It moves a lot faster. Adults can hoop with it too, but it's a lot more hard work. We love hula hooping. It's something we can do together. You can do it indoors if you've got space, you can do it outdoors. It's so much fun and it keeps you really fit. So we're going to show you how to hula hoop. At first when you start hula hooping, it might fall down a lot. Don't be disheartened. Got to pick it up and start going again. You don't need to be any shape, you don't need to be any size. You just need to be really stubborn if you want to be able to hula hoop. It's all in how you get started. Start holding the hoop, touching the small of your back. Hold it nice and level. Don't hold it on top. Make a little ledge underneath the hoop with your arms. And you're going to be driving that into your stomach. You see how my arm's coming all the way around? You're going to drive it into your stomach. Well done, Sam, that's great. Hard as you can, and it's, as you can see Sam's doing as well, you're moving forwards and backwards using your tummy muscles, pushing your belly button into the hoop, forwards and back. If you've watched the Rocky Horror Picture Show, it's a pelvic thrust. And it's really hard work. Your stomach muscles are going to get really tired, so you'll find you start to move more slowly, and as you move more slowly you'll feel the hoops going down. Give it a wiggle, hard as you can if you can feel that happening. Bring it back up again. Well done, Sam, that's great. Hard work, isn't it? Even if the child says it's hard work, they've got so much energy. What chance have we got? That's it, harder, faster, more, go, you can do it. And the faster you go, you can see it comes up a bit. So if you feel it going down, really push through that pain barrier and wiggle it up. There are the main reasons why it'll fall down. If you are bending over, looking down at your feet, it will fall down. When your tummy muscles get tired, or if you're used to cycling or running, you'll find your legs want to do all the work. And if your legs move, you'll see the hoops moving down towards my legs. So you have to make sure you're really focused on using your tummy muscles. And that's the basics of how you get started hula hooping. That's how you learn to hula hoop. It's all in the starter, it's all in the tummy muscles. If you haven't got tummy muscles, you will get them. You can play bumper cars. So you can use hula hoops for fitness and fun. You can do really fun tricks with them. What's your favourite trick with a hula hoop, Sam?
My favourite, I don't know the name, but it looks something like this.
Oh, great trick! Okay. And now it's trick of the week time. We're going to do 2 tricks for this first week of trick of the week. We're going to do trick with a big hoop and trick with a small hoop. So I'm going to start off with the trick of the week with the big hoop. So the trick of the week with the big hoop, we're going to do it off our body. It's called the revolving door. And we're going to hold the hoop out to the side. The hoop is the door, your hand's the hinge. Swing it towards you, step in with your left foot, holding the hoop in your right hand. Bring it up and over your head and out with the right foot. If you're left-handed and you're doing the trick with the hoop in your left hand, reverse it. So hoop in the left hand, swing it towards you, step in with your right foot, and over your head and out. So speed it up a bit. That's the revolving door. Now we're going to do trick of the week with the small hoop. This is much smaller in diameter, much lighter. And the trick of the week we're going to do with the small hoop is be over the head or back of the next spin. We're going to hold the hoop, so it's pressed against your collarbone here, hands to the side and that little ledge. Now first just bring the hoop up here behind your ear, and can you feel it against the bone of your skull there, just behind your ear? That's where you're going to flick it. You're going to flick it up and get ready to catch it on this arm or in this hand. Don't worry too much about the catching just yet. We're going to flick and catch. So from the side, hoop is here against the collarbone. We're flicking up behind the ear, pushing up and catch. Oh! And from this side, looking up, yay, and catch. And that's our small hoop trick of the week. Thank you so much for joining us for our hula hooping club. We're going to be working this up into a daily live stream once we've kind of got our heads around it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time for our next trick of the week. Bye bye. And if you're using hula hoops for fitness, you can really increase the fitness challenge by trying to hula hoop with your legs close together. My God, that's hard work. You try that, babe. So, do you find that more difficult?
Oh yeah.
I can really feel that. Oh, have a breather. There you go. You can take steps forwards and out to the side as you're hula hooping. It starts off easy, but you can sure feel the muscles working after a while. Turn in the same direction as your hula hoop's going. It's even harder to turn in the other direction. The hoop might just fall down. You can really work on your arms by hula hooping on each hand. You can do it above like a lasso. Well done. Or you can do it to the side. You can even do it with one hula hoop on each hand if you're feeling really like a challenge. And you can learn some really fun tricks. Watch out there, darling. You're all right. I was never going to hit you. Now, in this current climate, we've got a very special social distancing hula hoop. Oh, me first, me first. That's so not fair. Come on, I'm going to need to give me some room for this. Hula hoops come in all shapes and sizes. You can get square hoops, star-shaped hoops, tiny hoops, and giant hoops. My turn, give it a go, give it a go. Careful, you have to tripod over. Now this hula hoop is, gosh, I'm 5'6", so this hoop must be about 5'4" diameter. Oh, it's a big one. So if you need to do your exercise down the park and you don't want anyone coming near you, this is the perfect solution. Now, hopefully, we're going to be doing hula hoop tutorials every week on our YouTube channel and live on our Facebook page, where we'll teach you how to hula hoop and we'll teach you lots of fun tricks. This is for adults and children, so see you there. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.